Yo, good morning. DJ Johnson coming at you. What's up, guys? It's kind of like my first video I did on YouTube talking to you guys. Anyways, so I love the DJI SPARK. Best drone, hands down. So I see all these videos about, you know, antennas, boosters, this and that. How can I go far? Simple. OTG cable, all that noise, and whatever antennas they talk about. $7.99 at Amazon. Trust me. I went 14,112 feet, and I can go further. The only thing that stopped me was battery. That's it, for it to come back. Go buy one. I'm out.
Running through these checks like the ones on my shoes, so don't get geeked up, like it beat up. Tell that how I'm moving in, cause the lease up. Don't get geeked up, like it beat up. Moving how I wanna with my feet up. Yeah, my nails pink, but my honey's blue. Running in these streets to these W's, and I might let you chill if I fuck with you. I don't wanna meet your mama, I ain't come for you. 60 shot, look at this dog, look at this. Back of the ghost, that's how I roll. I'm some hoe, other shit. Diamonds colored like a Rubik's Cube. My name bad, baby bitch. Who is you? Yeah, I hit a bitch cause I got net in the loop.
Follow me. DJ Johnson, coming at you.